When you're preparing for retirement or you have retired already, one of the biggest questions is how much income do I need in my retirement? And the second biggest question should be how do I get that income? And how you can create income security for the rest of your life. My name is Katherine Isbrandt from About Retirement. I'm certified financial planner and retirement planning is really my passion. And this is About Retirement TV, the place to find all financial information you need to get ready for your retirement, or if you have already retired, how to improve your income, your assets for reliable and predictable income and to create financial security for life. Isn't that what we all want? Retirement is a journey, not a destination, so please be well prepared for your retirement ride. According to AFSA, Australian Financial Security Authority, if you are a retired couple, you need an income of $42,560 to have a modest lifestyle. The modest lifestyle means you can cover your bills, you have sufficient income to buy food and pay for basic emergencies, but not really to have comfort of overseas holidays or to buy big presents for your grandchildren. Then to have comfortable lifestyle which covers those extras, AFSA estimates a retired couple would need an income of $62,269 per annum. If we look at income needs for a single person, AFSA says that a modest lifestyle can be achieved with $28,165. And to have a comfortable lifestyle for a single person, you would need an income of $44,146 per annum. I wonder, do you agree with AFSA about the level of income for modest and comfortable lifestyle? What is your number? What income is needed in retirement? Great video to show you the level of income that is necessary to have for retirement in Australia. Superannuation is how most people save for their retirement during their working life. Employees must contribute 9.5% of your taxable income to your super. This is set to rise to 10% from 1st July 2021 and progressively up to 12% by July 2025. If you rely on those contributions to your superannuation alone as your saving vehicle, unfortunately, you may end up with insufficient balance to provide you with your needed retirement income once you stop working. Super is regarded as an effective and preferred way to invest for the future due to many tax benefits it offers. Let's check 9 ways how we can boost your superannuation balance to make it work for you as hard as possible. Number 1, extra super contributions. This is an obvious one. The more money you contribute, the more money you will have for your retirement. But there are so many ways how you can make those contributions, and you really need to be smart about the most effective way that will work for you and provide the biggest benefit. Let's check 9 ways how we can boost your superannuation balance to make it work for you as hard as possible. Okay, so you are about to retire soon and you want to find out about how to set up your pension fund. Or maybe you have been retired for a while, but you want to improve your fund. Now, if this is you, this video is for you. Okay, so let's dive in. What is a pension fund? Superannuation pension funds are created by transferring your superannuation savings from your accumulation stage, and this is where your employer contributions and your personal contributions have been saved and invested over the years, into their retirement income stream. And one of the types of retirement income streams are pensions. The most common type of pension fund in Australia is account-based pension, otherwise known as allocated pension. Now let's discuss what's the big deal about all those pensions and why you should really pay attention to this and should you really bother. Now, the biggest benefit of the pension fund is that the income that you derive from pensions or any income stream that is created with superannuation money, apart from the TTR that I mentioned before, is tax-free. Now imagine you invested $1 million in your pension fund and now you're deriving 4%. That means $40,000 tax-free. Now, if you were to earn that money or derive the same level of income from cash, that you will have to pay close to $5,500 in tax. If, on the other hand, let's say you derive 5% from $1 million, then your income is $50,000, tax-free for life. Again, if you were to earn the same income from, let's say, term deposit, then your tax level is close to $9,000. And the same if you earn that money from occupation, $9,000. So that's a huge difference as a net income that you can spend for your living on an annual basis. Retirement income stream explain all the basics when you are starting your regular income stream with your superannuation money. This is an older video of mine, so please be gentle, but still information is valid today. How to prolong life of your investments, of your pension, of your super. Number one, improve your starting balance. What I mean by that is, especially if you're a person who is coming closer to the 50s or maybe past 50s, you are 5 to 10 years before retirement or maybe even closer. Find out all the possible ways, all the strategies, how you can actually increase value of your superannuation, how you can keep on contributing to this. Number two, each year, if you have a pension fund, each year draw the minimum amount. On the 1st of July of every single financial year, your trustee will be recalculated value of your fund and will send you a letter advising what the minimum pension payment is for the upcoming year that you need to draw. Number three, reduce any capital withdrawals. Again, what do I mean by that? I always suggest keep an extra additional account elsewhere, which is for your emergencies. That should not be part of your superannuation, should not be part of your pension strategy. And if you have sufficient funds sitting there, this way you can minimize any capital withdrawals, hence you can prolong life of your pension or of your super. And number four, improve your fund performance. What do we mean? Well, here, create a beautifully diversified portfolio of investment products that really work together and complement each other. Number five, so don't be too conservative, because then you're really cutting down on life probability of your fund. Number six, watch out for all those fees and charges. So those are my suggestions, and I hope it will help you to make sure that your superannuation and your pension will live as long as you will. Income for Life, where you can find suggestions how to make your investments and your pension last longer. How can you make your money last longer in retirement without taking any additional market and investment risks? The most obvious thing to do would be to increase the value of your investments within the more aggressive types. We all know the saying that over a longer investment term, growth assets should outperform conservative assets and your overall returns should be higher. But from what I hear, many retirees are saying that they just simply do not have the time for the longer run, and high volatility of returns worries them. So is there any other way to improve your income for life? And how can you know that your money will support you for as long as you are going to live? Today I will give you an example how this can be achieved, but please remember, this is an example only, and the outcome is different in every situation. Therefore, this is not a video providing you with any personal advice, but rather I want to make you aware of possibilities which you need to research or simply request a good personalized advice to know what is the best strategy for you. Can you make your income last longer while reducing investment risk? Most people believe that to have a higher income and money last longer, you have to get into risky products. Well, check out this video then. I will speak with you in my next video. Bye for now.